Embark on a journey into the boundless realm of science fiction, where imagination knows no bounds. Did you know that you can dive into the captivating world of sci-fi story without even revealing your face? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of creating a sci-fi story video with the power of AI. This is the part of Faceless YouTube automation channel ideas. In this YouTube automation tutorial step-by-step video, we're going to demystify the process of crafting a compelling sci-fi story video using the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will empower you to bring your sci-fi visions to life. Now, let's jump right into the action. Before we embark on the video-making journey, the first essential step is to craft an engaging story. While AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Bard are capable of generating stories, providing them with a well-crafted prompt is crucial. Today, I'll introduce you to another AI writing tool that can effortlessly generate compelling stories with minimal prompts. To kick things off, open your web browser and conduct a search for PicsArt AI Writer. Click on the top link that appears. Once you're on the page, locate and click on Open AI Writer. The best part? This tool is entirely free, and there's no need to create an account to start generating content. Welcome to the AI Writer dashboard, where you can not only create captivating stories, but also craft articles, emails, keywords, essays, prompts, scripts, and much more. Now, let's explore how this powerful tool can be your go-to companion in the storytelling process. Within the AI Writer dashboard, you have a range of functions at your disposal to enhance, refine, and tailor your existing article. Here, you can expand on ideas, check grammar, paraphrase content, shorten passages, and even summarize your text. Additionally, this versatile tool extends its utility to generating content for business and marketing purposes. Now, let's navigate to the Generate Text tab and select a story that aligns with your creative vision. As you enter the Generate Text tab, the first step is to choose a story from the available options. It's crucial to provide a detailed description of your story and specify the desired style. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand and craft a story that suits your preferences. For instance, let's take the example. Friends navigate a dystopian world through time travel. Epic monster showdown unfolds. Once you've entered your story description, choose the desired length and level of creativity. For this demonstration, we'll keep it at a medium level. With all parameters set, hit the Generate button, and voila! Your story unfolds before you. If, by any chance, the generated story doesn't meet your expectations, fear not. You have the flexibility to rephrase or edit it according to your liking. Simply copy the generated story and let your creativity take the reins. This tool empowers you to effortlessly create compelling narratives for your content needs. Moving on to the next crucial step, voice generation. While one option is to record your own voice using a quality microphone, today we'll explore the convenience of using an AI tool called Altered Studio. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Altered Studio. Click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the page, proceed to create an account by providing your personal details. After successfully setting up your account, you'll find yourself on the Altered Studio platform, a professional voiceover generator and editor. To kick off the voice generation process, click on the text-to-speech option. Here, you'll need to select a voice actor from the available options. If, for any reason, you're not satisfied with the chosen voice actor, you can easily explore more options by clicking on the designated button to find the perfect fit for your project. Let's dive into the world of voiceover creation with Altered Studio. Within the Altered Studio platform, you'll discover an extensive array of voice actors offering diverse languages and accents. Once you've selected the ideal voice actor for your project, enter the story into the designated box and hit the Generate button. Your voiceover is now ready, and you can preview it by clicking on the provided option.
In a dystopian world where humanity was reduced to mere samplings of their former selves, a group of friends found themselves burdened with the task of navigating the desolate remains of what was once a thriving civilization.
To obtain the audio file, simply click on the download button, and your audio is set for use. Now let's proceed to the next step, generating visuals. Initially, we'll focus on generating images. For this, prompts play a crucial role. If you possess the skill of prompt engineering and can effectively generate images aligned with the scenes in your story, you can skip this part and proceed to the next stage. Now let's proceed to generate prompts for images using another powerful AI tool called Gravity Write. Begin by opening a new tab in your browser and searching for Gravity Write. Click on the first link that appears, and upon entering the site, start the account creation process by clicking on Start for Free. Once your account is set up, you'll be greeted with a plethora of tools designed for content creators. Navigate to the right tool panel and select the filmmaking tool. Among the options presented, choose the AI Image Prompt Generator. With the tool selected, it's time to input some data. Start by specifying the video genre. For example, you can enter fantasy and sci-fi. Next, define the video style, and in this case, let's go with 3D animation. These parameters will guide the AI in generating image prompts tailored to your video concept. Let's explore the creative possibilities with Gravity Write. Now, as we proceed to the final step, paste the story or your video script into Gravity Write. Copy the story from the document generated in PicsArt Writer, and then paste it into the designated area on Gravity Write. Once everything is set, click the Create Content button. Voila! Gravity Write has now generated 12 image prompts for you. While these prompts are intended for the mid-journey, you have the flexibility to use them with any other AI image generator to bring your visuals to life. For this demonstration, let's utilize Leonardo AI for image generation. Click on the AI Image Generation tool within Leonardo AI. Choose the 3D animation style from the available options as the fine-tuned model. Now return to Gravity Write and copy the first prompt. Remember to copy only the prompt and not the mid-journey credential, such as the /imagine. Let's seamlessly integrate these prompts into stunning visuals using Leonardo AI. For the sake of time, I'll fast forward through the process of generating and downloading images with the remaining prompts. If you encounter any issues, feel free to ask for assistance in the comments. How to create animated videos with AI. Following the image generation, it's time to seamlessly convert these visuals into a video using another efficient AI tool, Pika Labs. Pika Labs has evolved into a more potent version, now available as Pika 1.0 on the web, eliminating the need for Discord. Let's bring these images to life and create an engaging video with the help of Pika Labs. Upon entering Pika Labs, locate the prompt box. You'll find an attachment icon. Click on it, and proceed to upload the first image that you've just generated. Now, let's get started by uploading the first image to the prompt box in Pika Labs. Now let's continue the video creation process by copying the first image prompt body from Gravity Write and pasting it into the Pika Labs prompt box designated for video creation. Within the video options, you can choose the frames per second, FPS, to determine the video's smoothness. Additionally, the motion control option allows you to have control over the camera motion within the video. Lastly, you can input your negative prompts, seed numbers, and CFG for further customization. Once everything is configured, hit the Generate icon to initiate the video creation process. Repeat this process for all scenes generated in Gravity Write. With our videos and audio ready, it's time to assemble them using a video editor. For this demonstration, we'll use CapCut. Open the CapCut web or desktop version and import all of the video and audio files. Begin by inserting the audio file into the timeline, followed by the video files according to the respective scenes. Should you encounter any synchronization issues between the video and audio, You have the flexibility to split the video or customize the speed to achieve perfect harmony. Let's seamlessly bring together our audio and visuals using CapCut. As a final touch, consider adding a background music piece to enhance the overall video experience. Set the music volume between -20 to -25 for a balanced mix. Additionally, introducing transitions between each video segment can contribute to a more polished and visually appealing final product. Once all elements are in place, click the Export button to initiate the rendering process. Be patient, as it may take some time to generate the final video for your Faceless YouTube channel with AI. With the rendering complete, your video is soon ready for enjoyment. As we conclude our video creation journey, I'd love to hear about your experience crafting sci-fi videos using AI. Share your thoughts, insights, and results in the comments section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials in the future. The video's playing now.
In a dystopian world where humanity was reduced to mere samplings of their former selves, a group of friends found themselves burdened with the task of navigating the desolate remains of what was once a thriving civilization. Beatrix, a brilliant scientist with an affinity for time travel, led the group, accompanied by her companions, Marcus, a fearless warrior, and Maya, a resourceful survivor. The trio had ventured back in time to escape the oppressive regime ruling the world, hoping to find a way to rewrite history and restore their shattered reality. As they stepped out of their time travel capsule, they were greeted by a dark and ominous forest, filled with twisted trees that seemed to whisper secrets of the past. Pressing forward, their path was soon filled with danger. They encountered hordes of mutated creatures, remnants of failed experiments gone awry. Beatrice's scientific knowledge, coupled with Marcus's strength and Maya's quick thinking, ensured they triumphed over each obstacle set before them. As they traveled deeper into the past, the friends stumbled upon a deserted, dilapidated city. Empty streets and crumbling buildings stood as melancholic reminders of the lives lost. It was in this desolate landscape that they discovered the remnants of an ancient prophecy. The prophecy spoke of a massive creature known as the Leviathan, a colossal beast believed to possess the power to reshape the world. Guided by the prophecy, the friends embarked on a treacherous journey, braving one danger after another.
If you're interested in how to create lo-fi beats, music, hip-hop songs for a faceless, monetizable YouTube channel with AI, click on the left. If you want to watch I Found a New Niche, YouTube and Instagram video creation with AI passive income, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.